So welcome back to this coding session, and in this coding session I will be working on an implementation of a usual interface double unary operator. So the documentation says that represents an operation on a single double valued operand and produces the double valued result. So this is the function that we are going to implement. Apply as double to a double value and return type is also a double. So I will say something like double unary operator. I will say implementation.java. First I need to import this function. Double unary operator implementation, and we need to define a main method. So there can be different ways to implement this function. For example, we can have we can implement a function that reads a double and gives a value that is square of that double. So we can say something like in different ways, double unary operator op is equal to new apply as double. So it takes a final double value returns double value multiplied by double value. This is a one way to implement it. Another can be, for example, I can say class dbl implementation implements double unary operator, and we can provide the same implementation over here. Public double apply as double. return double value multiplied by itself, multiplied with itself. So this is the anonymous class implementation of a regular by a regular class. And third way is for example, I will say lambda implementation 1, I will say final operator dbl lambda 1 is equal to double and return double let me check after compiling it at least once. Double unary operation expected semicolon. Where did I miss? So I will another one, I will say lambda implementation 2 is equal to, remove the braces and I can say value double value multiplied by double value. So we can implement this interface in these 4 following ways, and if you have to write really complex and big logic, then you can do this, and if you need that class implementation at several places, then you can implement something like this. And using this function, for example, although I have put inside the method, I can move it outside and these are going to work without any issue. The difference is that I can create a object of this class, and I can access obj dot dblop dot apply as double. But in the case of the class, I will have to create object of that class. Is equal to obj dot new. So I will have to do this to do this to get the same functionality. So you can judge yourself which functions to be used at depending on the requirement. So if I run it now, cannot find symbol dbl imple. So we have 4 different ways to implement an interface and use it in our code, and you can, depending on your convenience and requirement, you can use those code. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.